tomorrow. So in this vlog, I'm going shopping and going to a Katy Perry concert. I like Katy Perry a lot. I wouldn't say I'm like her biggest fan or anything, but my sister got really good tickets for Christmas. Like literally the standing ones right next to Katy Perry. So she wanted someone to go with her and all of her friends said no. So I'm going and I'm still super excited. Tomorrow I'm going shopping. Are these things up? I'm sorry if the sides are bothering you. I'm going shopping because I need some new makeup. So I need a setting spray, a concealer, and another thing that I can't remember. Oh, I need another highlighter, a Tarte one of these because I'm almost all out and it's like my favorite highlighter ever. And also, I am doing a meet and greet really soon and I'm so excited. So I really want like a new outfit. It's gonna be free. It's 2 days after my birthday. If you guys are around there, you should totally come stop by. I'm gonna have all my family, so you can meet my whole entire family and me. And it's gonna be 100% free, and you don't have to bring anything. So if you can make it, you totally should. It's gonna be awesome. But on Instagram, in about like a week from now, though, I probably already have started advertising for it, but check my Instagram and you can see all the details. That's gonna be super fun, so I need an outfit to wear there. So we're going Sephora shopping and clothes shopping at Forever 21. I really want to get another overall dress. Guys, so today I'm wearing an outfit that I normally would not wear. So I'm just wearing this sweater because it's super comfortable. It's my sister's sweater. And then I'm just wearing some black leggings and my Adidas. So it's kind of like a casual, normal outfit, which is really weird. If you know me at all, or if you've been watching my vlogs at all, you know I am not casual. These shoes, okay, so I just got these shoes and they are surprisingly really uncomfortable, which is not good for me. I have to have comfort. Okay, so like I was saying, so we're in the car now, obviously. So we are gonna go to the Adidas store before we go to the mall.
But you think the shoes are uncomfortable regardless of the size, though? Say if you hate
they're big. Well, then I'll get a different type of shoe. I'll buy shoes today. So we're gonna return those and get a half size smaller because I remember trying on the 7.5s and they were like perfect. But my mom didn't want me to get them because they were too small. She didn't want me to like grow out of them. And it's just like so funny how much that I love to shop. It's like my favorite thing to do, which sounds really funny. But like one time me and my mom, I was in a really bad mood. I think it was after a voice lesson. I don't know. I think I like did bad or something and I was like upset. And then we went shopping and then my whole mood was like happy. I don't know, I just love it because like it's weird because my sister hates shopping. Like when she's like, let's go shopping, she's like, no. These things were up the whole time. Oh wow. Guys, my camera has this thing where it like doesn't close the little lens thing. I really want these rose gold shoes, guys. I don't know, what do you think? This shoe, that rose gold one, or the plain black? These are the perfect size, but I actually prefer the black and white ones and I'll get more usage out of them. So I'm gonna get the 7.5. Yeah, but I wouldn't be able to wear them anywhere. I mean, they would have to match. Okay, final choice, I'm getting these in the 7.5. We're at the mall, I've got my shoes. So I like them. The heels are a little loose, but if I got a 7, they wouldn't have fit. Any of this stuff, but I know they love you. Okay, so I found the highlighter I want. So I actually already have this one.
Stunner, you have it.
Yeah, are you sure?
Yeah, because I read it last night.
What's it called then? I don't think it's this one.
I have it here. I texted
That's Sparkler.
last night. That was too. Hang on, I'll tell you now.
Okay. All right, we're finding the highlight. So that means that we've already got one on check. So we're looking for the exposed highlighter, but it's not up on the rack, so they're looking for one. Okay, I'm gonna try to do a color. They don't have the color that I want, but this one looks so cool. Okay, so now I'm gonna try on this light concealer. So all of these are kind of yellow, but this one looks like the nice shade. I'm Emma. Yay! Do y'all have Instagram?
Yes. No. Yeah, I'm not allowed to have Alex, all lowercase, dot Kerman.
Cool.
That's the only thing I have.
It says that Lily said that setting sprays were the best in Urban Decay. So I think she has one of these in like white, but they probably don't have it because she's had it forever. I'm gonna ask and see what this one is like. Cooling and hydrating makeup setting spray. Mom is like blown away on how expensive everything is in here.
I don't buy makeup.
Okay, so I tried on this concealer. It's Tarte and it's in the shade Fair. So that's what it looks like when it's on. You can't even see my dark circles. It's beautiful. It's really expensive, but yeah, I'm really excited. So I put it here and here, but she didn't do the other eye. So now I have an Urban Decay setting spray, which is the big bottle. I have my Tarte concealer and my Tarte highlight. So I'm all set. Okay, I got my little baggie, and now we're gonna go to Forever 21 and get a meet and greet outfit. We're in Forever 21 now, and I'm just looking for the kids section. They literally move around their kids section like every single time I come here. The kids section is in like a completely different spot. Okay, I found this sweater and I love it. It's fuzzy and just spoiled. As I'm here with my like bag of makeup. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's plain pink and it's a crop top. Those are like my two favorite things. What the heck? Look at this. It looks like the ones on Instagram. Oh my gosh, I have to get this. I really love this dress. I've always wanted to get it. It's always here, but it's too springy. Guys, we're gonna try on stuff right here because I have a tank top under this, like a really tight one, so I can't. The line is like 20 minutes, and then the checkout line is like 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna change right here. This is so cute. I think this is a good meet and greet outfit, so it looks kind of different because I have clothes on under this, but I love this sweater and I love this skirt. It's a little, the tiniest bit loose, but you know. Look how cute this is. So I tried on the shirt, and it's really cool. It looks good with my shoes. Okay, so I'm done. I feel nice because I'm back in my clothes. So we're going to get this little overall dress, this pink sweater, this yellow skirt, and the blue sweater, and this white shirt. So we ended up getting a full shopping trip. Yes. So like I said in the beginning, I was going to go to like a Katy Perry thing, but my other sister really wants to go, and I got invited to go to Sky Zone with my two friends, Sydney and Bria. So I'm really excited for that. So I'm gonna be going to Sky Zone instead of the Katy Perry thing, and my sister really wants to go, so I'm just being a nice person. So it's the next morning. I'm with Nome. She spent the night. Sorry. She spent the night with Laura yesterday, and she goes to the same church as me, so we're riding together. My nose is so runny today, but yeah, so today we're going to Sky Zone. The Katy Perry concert is today, but I'm not going. Hey guys, update. So I had a ring pop. That's why my mouth is blue. So it's after church and I changed into a different outfit. So I have, what?
And Matthew left.
And Matthew just left for college again. But he'll be back like in like a month or something. Yeah. So now we're on our way to meet up with Bria and Sydney, and they're gonna take me to Sky Zone, and I'm so excited. Also, no joke, this is a bag full of stuff that Bria and Sydney have left at my house, looking for their car. We're pulling into Kroger.
There's an ambulance there.
I hope Bria's not dead. Bria and Sydney.
Not in the ambulance.
Hey!
How's it going?
How are you thinking?
Bria! We're here, so we've got Bria and Sydney. I've got my Sky Zone socks on. You have your Sky Zone socks and your brace thingy. And she got her Sky Zone socks on. Ours are cute. Ours are matching, and then there's Sydney. I'm just kidding. Mine are old ones. Yeah. Let's go! Hi! Woo! I'm next. Nice! Go Sydney! Woo! Woo! We just finished. Are you tired? Are you tired, Bria?
Yeah, I'm tired.
Hey guys, so I'm back from Sky Zone. It was so fun. So we just filmed Girl Talk, so we have a new setup, and it's super cute. I already turned like the lights off and everything, so it doesn't look as glamorous. The shout out of the day goes to Alicia is goals underscore, and she put heart on my comments in Instagram. So I hope you guys liked this video. I loved the makeup I got from Sephora. Even though they have pricey makeup, it is all very worth it. Make sure that you check out Tarte because they have great makeup. That's where I got most of my stuff. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!